screw that. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. You can probably tell from what is behind me what the topic of discussion today is, and that is miserably slow pouring gas cans. So as you guys know, a few years back the government decided to get involved with gas spouts, and they pour really, really slow because of the safety mechanism that's built in. So what we've got today is the Easy Pour. Now this product comes with a few different adapter rings. I've gone ahead and checked and found mine, so we're going to get started. Now the threads are different on certain gas cans, but it's a pretty simple process. You're going to take off your old gas spout, set that to the side. Go ahead and tightly secure your new gas spout. Now for the next part we're going to need a 1/2 inch, and yes I mean 1/2 inch, it's a pretty wide dude, drill bit. And we're going to go ahead and drill a breather hole. Now it helps to go ahead and take a smaller drill bit and go ahead and drill the hole a little bit if you want to make it perfect. I like to run it in and out a couple times. Alright, so next step is to take this little breather hole, which has a cap that opens, and we're going to firmly press that in the hole we just drilled. Boom. Alright guys, so we've successfully installed the Easy Pour system. I'm going to go ahead and test it out and enjoy this 5 gallons of gas going much quicker than it did before. Oh yeah, so much better. So much better. You guys have no idea. This is lovely. Well, there you have it, guys. The Easy Pour gasoline spout really speeds up your job of refueling your vehicles, your ATVs, your lawn equipment, whatever it may be that you need gas or diesel fuel for. Go ahead and throw this dude in the trash can, get you an Easy Pour. There's a link in the description. We greatly appreciate you buying stuff through that link. Helps to support the channel and to keep bringing you tips like you just saw. Y'all be good and don't litter.